Hello, this is Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today, we have a Bokksu unboxing. Premium Japanese snacks. Let's get into it. I like that they always include Discover Japan through snacks. This one's Bokksu. Looks like Golden Kanagawa. Did you guys get a good glimpse at the culture guide? I do love that they always include the culture guide. Helps you understand your snacks a little bit more. It also helps you get to know Japan a little bit more. Next month's haiku hint is cold hands, warm hearts, beating doki doki when our Bokksu arrives. At first glance, these are all very gorgeous. They included green tea this time. I like the packaging, how it has a wave and a mountain in the background. This is very, very good looking. This looks like it's covered in a lot of sugar. That looks so delicious. This one looks like a very good donut. These look very delicious too. They feel like they're going to be a crunchy type snack this time. And I've mentioned this before in previous ones. I really do love these snacks because I love the gummy snacks. I love that they always include extras so that you could share or have more for a later snack. These packagings are all very gorgeous. And they all make you want to have more. These are upside down. These look like these are going to be sour, with the lemon in the background. I love these type of packagings. I don't know how they do it, but it's always so very gorgeous. These look like a garlic flavored chip. These look good. They look like straws. I like that it included instructions on what you can use the box for. At the bottom here it says, oh, there's more. At the bottom here it says Crave More, save 10% with code CRAVE10 at bokksu.com/market. Thank you guys. I hope you guys join us next time.